Did you know that for over 1,300 years, the Catholic Church taught something about Mary Magdalene that wasn't true? Here's what really happened. In 591, Pope Gregory the Great made a huge mistake. He mixed up 3 different women from the Bible and said they were all Mary Magdalene. This created the false story that Mary was a prostitute who changed her ways, but the Gospels tell a very different story. Mary Magdalene was actually a wealthy woman from the town of Magdala. She used her own money to support Jesus and his disciples. Jesus had healed her from 7 demons, and she became one of his most faithful followers. When Jesus was crucified, Mary didn't run away like the male disciples did. She stayed by the cross. She was there when he was buried, and she was the very first person to see Jesus alive again after he rose from the dead. The early church called her the apostle to the apostles because she brought the news of the resurrection to everyone else. In 1969, the Catholic Church finally fixed this mistake and restored Mary's true identity.